Hi everybody, so today I just wanted to do a quick kind of like unboxing reveal of the Hydro Flask 24 ounce bottle. Here I have 3 of them featured. I just wanted to kind of show you how they look like. We have them in 3 colors. These are some really bright tropical colors that I really like. This one is watermelon, and this one is hibiscus, and this one is spearmint. So I ordered all of these from REI, and I will be having these as like party favors for a tropical team party that's coming up. So I'm really excited. These are just really good quality water bottles. This is my first time purchasing this brand, the Hydro Flask, but it is a bottle that claims to keep your liquids colder and hotter for a longer period of time. So as you can see, it has it's made of stainless steel. It has a good weight to it. The bottom has its little sticker. I'm sure once you peel it off, it will have like the information of where it's made and that kind of thing. So I just wanted to give a close-up color, like close-ups, because that's what I was really interested in when I was purchasing these. This color here, hibiscus, it doesn't look like what it does on camera right now. I just want to let you guys know this is a really bright neon coral, and it's just really fun. It's like a fun color. Reminds me of like tropical weather. It is really nice. And the green, it goes kind of towards pastel, but not too much. It's kind of like but it's not super bright like some pictures online show. So it is kind of like what it's showing up right now on camera. I'll try to focus a little bit there for you. But I really do like this color as well. And then the watermelon is kind of just like a deep pink. It's not too hot. It's just kind of like almost kind of like a berry pink. So for those of you contemplating color choices, these are some really fun tropical colors. I really like them. And let's take a look at the lid. So I also wanted to take a look at the lid. So we have this little flex handle here for people to hold their liquids if they want, just hold their drinks like this. It looks pretty durable. And then the lid itself twists off. So here we go. I'm doing it with one hand, you guys. So let's take a look and see how it looks inside. So inside, as you can see, it's stainless steel, and the lid itself has this kind of like screw cap, and has the little Hydro Flask logo on there. Insulated, BPA free, it says. The little Hydro Flask thing there, and then it says Hydro Flask up here as well. And then that's just how it looks like. Oops, and then you just twist it back on. So I opted for this size and this style because based on the reviews, they said it was easier to drink out of. It didn't like pour water all over the person who was drinking it, and also it fits in cup holders for cars and stuff, and it's just easy to grab and hold in general versus the other sizes, which are a little wider in diameter. So keep those in mind if you are shopping for these. I think these are really nice, and I look forward to trying them out. Once again, these are the Hydro Flask 24 ounces, and I hope this was helpful. Just kind of like as a unboxing reveal video. Oh, just want to let you know, a couple of these came with these little sleeves by Hydro Flask. It says repurpose me, recycle me, and it was really cute to see those included, but not all of them came with it. Like some of these were just wrapped in bubble wrap, but overall the shipping was very good. It arrived very quickly, and they were packaged very well. So REI does a really good job of packaging their items. So I was really, really happy with that. So that concludes my video for today. I just wanted to show you the new water bottles that I got. I am so excited to try them out and give them to the people that I will be giving them to. So I hope this was helpful, and feel free to comment below, like, subscribe, and I will talk to you later. Thank you. Bye.